The year is 2025, and Bitcoin edges closer to the $100,000 mark. This surge represents a near 30% increase from last month, underscoring Bitcoin's notorious volatility. This milestone signifies Bitcoin's growing acceptance as a store of value. Institutional adoption and regulatory clarity are driving this growth. The world is watching, and the stakes have never been higher. Several key factors are converging to propel Bitcoin's price upwards. One of the most significant is the growing wave of institutional investment. Major corporations, hedge funds, and even governments are starting to view Bitcoin as a viable asset class. This influx of capital is providing substantial support to Bitcoin's price and attracting further investment. Favorable regulatory developments are also playing a crucial role. Governments worldwide are beginning to recognize the need for clear and consistent regulations for cryptocurrencies. This clarity is essential for fostering innovation and encouraging institutional participation. The United States in particular has seen a shift in its stance toward crypto, moving away from the restrictive policies of the past. Moreover, Bitcoin adoption is accelerating globally. From individual investors to merchants and service providers, more people are embracing Bitcoin as a means of payment and a store of value. This growing acceptance is driving demand and contributing to the price surge. Finally, macroeconomic factors are playing a part as well. Global inflation concerns, geopolitical instability, and a growing distrust in traditional financial systems are pushing investors towards alternative assets like Bitcoin. This flight to safety is providing further momentum to Bitcoin's price rally. It's impossible to discuss Bitcoin's 2025 surge without acknowledging the pivotal role of Strategy, formerly known as MicroStrategy. Led by CEO Michael Saylor, Strategy holds 553,555 BTC. Their commitment to Bitcoin is unwavering, adding another 15,355 BTC in April. This bold move has legitimized Bitcoin for many institutional investors. Strategy has become a beacon for other corporations looking to diversify with Bitcoin. Section 4. Riding the Bitcoin wave, the Strategy stock story. Unsurprisingly, Strategy's aggressive Bitcoin accumulation has been mirrored in the performance of its stock. A $10 daily investment in Strategy stock since August 2020 would be worth a staggering $108,000 today. This phenomenal return highlights the potential rewards of aligning with the Bitcoin market. However, it's important to note that while Strategy stock offers the potential for outsized returns, it also carries a higher risk profile compared to traditional investments. The stock's price is intricately linked to Bitcoin's performance, meaning that volatility in the crypto market directly impacts Strategy's valuation. Analysts predict that if Bitcoin reaches $150,000, Strategy's share price could soar to between $1,200 and $1,600. This strong correlation has led to the emergence of the BTC-MSTR ratio, a metric closely watched by traders to gauge which asset, Bitcoin or Strategy stock, will outperform in the near future. The performance of Strategy stock serves as a compelling case study for investors seeking exposure to the Bitcoin market. It demonstrates the potential for significant gains while highlighting the importance of understanding the inherent volatility and risks associated with crypto-linked investments. Section 5. A new dawn for crypto, the Trump administration's impact. The return of Donald Trump to the White House in 2025 has brought about significant changes in the landscape of crypto regulation. Appointing David Sachs, a prominent figure in the tech and venture capital world, as his crypto czar signaled a more favorable stance towards the industry. Sachs has been vocal about ending the war on crypto that characterized previous administrations. He has advocated for fast-tracking stablecoin legislation and creating a regulatory environment that fosters innovation while protecting investors. One of the most significant developments under the Trump administration has been the Federal Reserve's rollback of Biden-era rules that restricted Wall Street's involvement in the crypto market. This move has opened the door for major financial institutions to embrace cryptocurrencies more openly, further fueling institutional adoption. The Trump administration's crypto-friendly policies have injected a new wave of optimism into the market. While the long-term impact remains to be seen, the current regulatory climate is undoubtedly more conducive to growth and innovation than ever before.